Welcome to Astrocast.tv and Our Night Sky, featuring night sky graphics using Stellarium software. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen, and I'm your guide to Northern and Southern Hemisphere sky gazing for the month of July. It's summertime right now for Northern Hemisphere viewers and wintertime for folks in the Southern Hemisphere. But no matter where you are, be sure and dress for the weather when you go out stargazing. And remember to bring along binoculars or a small telescope because they'll help enhance your view. Let's start out with the moon and planets. Look for the full moon on July 3rd, when it will be rising with Sagittarius. The bright planets Saturn and Mars are in the constellation Virgo this month. Watch over the course of the month as Mars's position slowly changes. Now let's explore the stars. The most prominent constellations in July are easily visible a few hours after sunset, say around 10 p.m. The constellation Ursa Major contains the famous star pattern of the Big Dipper. It's sinking lower in the northwest part of the sky. See if you can spot it. Not far away from Ursa Major is the constellation Boötes, which looks like a giant kite shape in the sky. Its brightest star is called Arcturus. Also, look for the distinctive keystone shape of the constellation Hercules, and then use your binoculars or telescope to search out the Hercules star cluster. Not far away from Hercules is brilliant Vega. It's the brightest star in the constellation Lyra. The constellation Sagittarius is popular with both northern and southern hemisphere stargazers. Look for its distinctive teapot shape. The Milky Way runs between Sagittarius and the next-door constellation Scorpius. And the center of our galaxy is located right here. If you scan this whole area of the sky using binoculars or your small telescope, you'll find many star clusters and nebulae scattered among the stars of this region. One of the more intriguing constellations in the southern hemisphere is Pavo the Peacock. Its graceful neck and head extend to the west, pointing toward the simple shape of the Southern Triangle, and beyond that, the familiar-looking Southern Cross. Pavo's tail stretches out to the southeast. Look just above Pavo to spot a little globular cluster of stars called NGC 6752. It's best seen through binoculars or a telescope. Well, that's a small taste of what you can find on July nights. Take the time to really explore the sky as much as you can because you never know what you're going to find. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen for Our Night Sky, wishing you clear skies from Astrocast.tv. Music for this episode of Our Night Sky comes from the album Stella Novus from geodesium.com.